To apply for a job at Walmart, start by visiting the company's official website and navigating to the Careers section. Here you can search for available positions by location, job title, or category. Browse through the list of open jobs and select the one that matches your skills and interests. Once you have found a job you want to apply for, click on the job title to view the job description and requirements. Make sure you meet the qualifications and read through the job responsibilities to understand the role. Next, click the Apply Now button to start the application process. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill out the online application form with your personal and professional information, including your education, work experience, and skills. Make sure to tailor your application to the specific job you are applying for, highlighting the skills and experiences that match the job requirements. You can also upload your resume and cover letter to support your application. After completing the application form, review it carefully to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Submit your application and wait for a response from the hiring team. You may be contacted for an interview or to provide additional information. It is essential to follow up on your application to show your interest in the position and to inquire about the status of your application. You can do this by contacting the hiring manager or the store directly. Best practices to keep in mind when applying for a job at Walmart include being honest and accurate in your application, following the application instructions carefully, and being prepared for an interview by researching the company and practicing your responses to common interview questions. By following these steps and tips, you can increase your chances of a successful application and landing a job at Walmart. Remember to stay positive and persistent, and do not be discouraged if you do not get hired right away. Keep applying and working towards your goal, and you will eventually achieve success.